See the seventh question, children. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Okay, so see that this is a BD is acting as a 20-meter tall building. Okay, so above this tall building, CD is the transmission tower. So HB the height of the transmission tower. So what is given? From the bottom of the transmission tower to the point of observation, we are getting 45 degree, and the top of the tower to the ground level, we are getting the angle of elevation as 60 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree, and bottom it makes 45 degree. So these are the given values. What they ask you to find out? They ask you to find out what is the height of the transmission tower. Okay, that is the length CD they ask you to find. Okay, so we will have two triangles. This is a right angle triangle, that is the big triangle common. Then you see that what are the two triangles we will have here? Triangle CAB and triangle DAB, isn't it? So both the triangles you have to find out the value separately, and we need the value of, this is opposite side. Okay, so opposite side value only we are going to find out. For that, first we must consider here, consider triangle BAD. Okay, OP by edge. So AB value if you know means next big triangle if you are considering means this value OP by edge, tan value we can apply and we can find out the value very easily. So this H value very easily. For that, first I am considering the triangle, the right triangle DBA I am considering. Okay, so see that first you must write what are the measures given here. Let BD equal to 20 meter. Let BD is equal to 20 meter. Be the height of building, and CD equal to H meter be the height of HT I am written means it is height. Okay, you must write HEIGHT, height of transmission tower. Angle CAB is equal to 60 degree and angle DAB is equal to 45 degree. These are the two values given in this question. They ask you to find out the measure of CD. Okay, so first I am considering the right triangle DBA. From right triangle DBA, tan 45 is equal to, what is tan 45? OP by edge, that is BD divided by EP. Okay, so what is the value of tan 45? 1. So 1 is equal to BD, they are given the value as 20 meter divided by AB. So which implies AB is equal to 20 meter. So the distance from the point of observation to the foot of the building we got as 20 meter AB. Okay, let's again consider right triangle. Again consider right triangle. Which triangle? CBA. Tan 60 is equal to BC divided by AB. Tan 60 is equal to BC by AB. Tan 60, what is the value of tan 60? Root 3. So root 3 is equal to BC by AB, we got it 20. So you can substitute here. Okay, that is the reason tan 45 value first I did. Then I consider the second triangle because for substituting the value of AB as 20. So we will get BC equal to 20 root 3. So BC equal to 20 root 3. The total height is 20 root 3. And they ask you to find out the length CD. So how you will get it, children? BC is 20 root 3 meter and BD is 20 meter. So what about CD? Can you say? CD is equal to BC minus BD, isn't it? So BC is 20 root 3. 20 root 3 minus 20 we will get. Okay? Understood clearly? Because this height only they ask you to find out. This height CD is same as the total height minus up to this height only, no? So write CD equal to, here I will write CD equal to, after completing this, CD equal to BC minus BD. So we got the value of BC as 20 root 3 minus BD is already given in the question data, 20. So 20 is a common factor. 20 into root 3 minus 1. 20 into root 3 is 1.732 minus 1. That is 20 into 0.732. That will be our final answer. All of you multiply. Otherwise, you can stop it here. 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. So, 20 into 1.732 minus 1. 20 into 0.732. So, final answer, if you are getting in full answer in the correct format, means you have to substitute the value of 0.732 for 0.732 into 20. So, after 3 days. So, what will be the height of this one? Height of transmission tower equal to CD, that is equal to 14.640 meter. Look at the 8th question, children. The same patterns like 7th question. Here one difference is there. Here above the pedestal one statue is there. Okay. So a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. Okay. So here BC is the pedestal, AB is the statue. From a point on the ground, so C is the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. So from this point, if you are viewing the top of the statue, it makes an angle 60 degree. Okay. So that is given as angle ABC. This I can consider as D. Okay. So D is the point on the ground to view the statue. So here angle ADC, we will get the value as 60 degree, and see the next statement, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Top of the pedestal is acting as what? Bottom of the statue. Understand? Top of the statue is this one, it makes an angle 60 degree, and the next sentence they are given that from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Top of the pedestal is the point B. That is what? Actually the bottom of the statue. So that is given as 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So this distance, BC distance only we have to find out. BC I am considering as H, means this distance H only we have to find. So see that, children. For finding the value of BC, see the diagram. Keenly observe the diagram. Okay. So we are having two triangles. This is a right angle triangle. Okay. So we will have two right angle triangles. What are the two right angle triangles? ACD and BCD. ACD in that angle ADC as 60 degree. Okay, so see that. So let BC is equal to H be the height of pedestal, and AB equal to 1.6 meter be the height of the statue. Okay, the angle ADC equal to 60 degree, and angle BDC is equal to, they are given 45 degree. Any other measurement is given in this question data, children? No. Okay. So for finding the value of BC, we have to consider two. First triangle BCD, we have to consider, apply the trigonometric ratios. We will get the value of H is equal to CD. Okay. Next we have to find out this data. From this we will get the value of AC as H plus 1.6, like that you have to apply it. From that we will get the value of this H. Okay. So see that. First write from triangle BCD. So this triangle first I am considering. So O by edge. Which trigonometric ratio we can consider? BC by CD? Tan, isn't it? So tan 45 is equal to BC by CD. Tan 45 1 equal to BC by CD. BC value is H. So we will get CD is equal to H. CD equal to BC. Both value is same as the H meter. Okay. That we will get. This you put as equation number 1. Next you see. Again consider right triangle ACD. Again consider from triangle ACD. How you can apply? Tan 6G is equal to AC divided by CD. Tan 60, what is the value, children? Root 3. So root 3 is equal to AC. AC means AB plus BC, that is 1.6 plus H. AB plus BC divided by CD is same as BC. Okay. So root 3 is equal to AB value we know 1.6 plus H divided by H. Understood? Because BC is CD, that is equal to H. So the common terms HH if we are considering means we can calculate the H value very easily. For that I consider BC as CD as BC and substitute the value of H. So this is equal to root 3H. Cross multiplication I am doing. 1.6 plus H. So 1.3H is equal to 1.6 plus H. Transform the H to the left side. So how will you get it? H into root 3 minus 1. Because root 3H minus H, that is H into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So H is equal to, I will draw the diagram, then final calculation I will show here. So H is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. So see children, root 3 minus 1. What is the rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1? Root 3 plus 1, isn't it? So multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1. So what you will get? 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Last year we studied rationalizing the denominator. The same pattern I am applying here. So 1.6 into, here root 3 is 1.732 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. A minus b into a plus b. A squared minus b squared. So root 3 the whole squared is 3. 3 minus 1 that is 2. Okay. Because if you need I will write all the steps. Root 3 square minus 1 square that is 3 minus 1. You will get 1.6 into 1.732 plus 1 is 2.732 divided by 2. 3 minus 1 2. That is 0.8 into 2.732. All of you multiply and write the final answer. Otherwise, how you can write 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. This is root 3 plus 1 meter. Root 3 plus 1 only I simplified and written. This you multiply and write the final answer. Okay.